Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems out of this book here, the official SAT study guide. I hope you have this book. You should own it. If you don't have it, buy one from any of the bookstores, or send me an email and I'll send one out to you. In addition to this book, which contains the 8 real exams, you should also have a nice vocabulary book, a good vocabulary book. The one that I use when I do private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring that I do, the book that I use is this one, Vocabulary Energizers. There are actually 3 more. You can go to my website at www.prep4sat.com, prep4sat.com, and on the left-hand menu where it says vocabulary books, if you click on that, you will see the books that I use. I'm about to solve a problem right now, which appears in exam number 6, section number 7, page 738, question number 19. It is a hard problem. We'll see how hard it is actually. Let's get going. When I say it's a hard problem, what I mean is that since it's 19 on a scale of 1 to 20, it's supposed to be hard. It's supposedly hard. And it is a bit tricky. I won't have the luxury of writing the problem on the blackboard. You must have the book in front of you. Open the book to page number 738. Read the problem. You should read the problem with me. You should have a piece of paper handy. You should have a pencil handy and solve it with me. So let's get going. It says in the picture above, 3 wires are braided. You're going to braid the 3 wires. You're going to take one wire, put it here, then you're going to put another wire, put it here. The order is going to keep changing. Wire A, B, and C, we're going to keep braiding back and forth, and the order is going to keep changing. In the picture above, 3 wires are braided. That is, by starting in the order ABC, let's start with the ABC. So the wire A is on the left hand side, the wire C is on the right hand side, the wire B is in the middle. By starting, 3 wires are braided. That is, by starting in the order ABC, the outer left wire A would be picked up and put it right in the middle. So we end up with B, A, C. It brought over the B to the middle position, forming the order shown in step 1, as you can see in the picture, step 1, B, A, C. Then the outer right wire C is brought to the middle position as shown in step 2. So let me write this in a different color here. So this guy is picked up and moved here. So it becomes B, A, C. Then this guy is picked up and moved in the middle. So it becomes B, C, A, and so forth. The question is what? And so on, alternately, bringing each new left and each new right wire to the middle. The question is how many times we'll have to the question simply is how many times will we have to repeat this procedure until we get to the situations where we are back to where we started, which is ABC. It's very simple, very straightforward. I don't know why it's number 19. Let's just keep doing it, and we're just going to keep track of our steps until I end up with ABC. That's all. So I've gone from left. Now I've done the right. I'm going to do the left again. Pick up B and move it here. So I should get B. You see, I almost made a mistake. I should get C. This guy moves here. B goes in the middle. A. Let's do one more step. I'm just going to keep on doing until I get ABC. That's what it is. Let's do one more. I'm going to pick up this guy, move him to the middle. So you end up with C, A, B. I'm going to pick up the guy again. I'm going to pick up now this guy, C, and move him to the middle. So we end up with, oh, there you go. I think we are almost, no, not quite. So this guy comes here, C goes in the middle, and the B stays there. I think we're there, almost. That's it. All right, golly, what do you know? It wasn't bad at all. Now I pick up B. I pick up B now, and move him to the middle. So we end up with A, B, C. What do you know? Voila! All you have to do is make sure to count properly as to how many steps you did. Well, let's see. This was our starting point. This was given to us. So the first step I got this. In the second step I got this. Third step this guy. Fourth step this guy. Fifth step this guy. And this is the jackpot. The answer is 6. We did 6 steps. The answer is D. I hope you found this helpful. As you can see, sometimes the hard problems are really nasty problems, as if you probably watch, let me switch the side here. I feel strange on this side. I'm used to standing here. If you watched my clip that I uploaded just before this one, number 20, you probably saw that number 20 is very nasty. It is a terrible question. It's not meant for everybody. This one, in fact, is not that bad. If you just have to think about it. This is, as a matter of fact, they're all like that. Number 20 that I did was also just about thinking. It's not the math that is difficult. The math is not what makes the question difficult on the SAT. Never. The math is very simple, as I always tell you. You just have to think systematically, logically, calmly, collectively. You cannot freak out. Just take one step at a time. This is exactly how I would do in the real exam. If I were taking the exam right now, this is exactly how I would actually show myself the arrows. Don't do it in your head. That's where you make mistakes. Just draw a quick arrow. And of course, in my clips, I take 6, 7, 8 minutes to explain things. But when you're doing it yourself, it shouldn't take you more than a minute. It takes me a while because I explain everything. I keep changing colors and all that. It takes a while. But anyway, post comments on the YouTube. Tell me what you thought about it. Also, if you wish to purchase the DVD that contains the solutions to all the math problem in this section, section number 7 of exam number 6, send me an email. Or for that matter, if you wish to purchase any of the 24 sections of math in this book. As I said, there are 8 exams. Each exam has 3 math sections, and I have DVD for each of these 24 sections. Send me an email telling me which exam and which section that you wish to purchase the DVD, and it will contain the solutions to all the problems. Also, if you wish to hire my services in person, I'm located in Hartford, Connecticut. Send me an email. It doesn't prevent me from going anywhere on the planet, as long as it's worth my while. And if you wish to purchase the SAT study guide that I told you before, the official SAT study guide, you have to have this book. You can buy it yourself from any bookstore, or you can buy it from me. Also, if you wish to purchase the Vocabulary Energizer book, get hold of me through email. Alright? Thank you.